10 psychological tricks to get her to like. Number 10. Make your own judgments. This is basically the cornerstone of establishing a fantastic relationship and will provide you with the groundwork to make her like you. Judgment is not a bad thing to do. Every new input in our lives is filtered via our belief system. Whether it's a new person, a new taste, or a new sensation, we have a judgment when the belief has passed through the filter. In its most basic form, this judgment tells us whether we like or dislike something. While sound judgment does not ensure a positive conclusion in every situation, it does increase the possibilities of success. Despite its relevance, the term judgment is difficult to define. The capacity to evaluate judgment and to develop an individual's judgment can be useful tools if it can be classified. To be genuinely beautiful, you must have your own life and spend time focusing on yourself. Number 9. Have a fun hobby or an interest for something. Here's another great tip that you won't discover anywhere else on the internet. Having only one passion makes you seem more intriguing, and it also lends respect to advice number 1, which is that you're establishing your own life. Your pastime may be anything you're enthusiastic about, as long as it's genuine and not fabricated. If I claimed I liked chainsaws and carved chainsaw art in my spare time but didn't, the glitter would be gone and the lady wouldn't notice. Number 8. Have excellent hygiene. It has a pleasant aroma. I don't mean you have to smell great. You simply have to smell respectable. Take a shower and scrub your body with body soap. Twice, you're ready to go after shampooing your hair, drying yourself off, applying deodorant, and putting on clean clothing. You don't have to smell like a middle scholar in love with a lady he loves if you use half a gallon of Axe body spray. All you have to do is smell decent. You may, however, purchase some cologne and spritz a squirt of it. Maximum of 2 squirts on your own. 1 on your wrist and 1 at your neckline are my recommendations. This is all it takes to smell wonderful. And females are always drawn to people that smell fantastic. To be honest, just using this approach will more than increase your odds of landing a date with a female. Number 7. Ask her to do things for you. So, yes, this is a hidden tip, and it may even be a little manipulative, but it is in no way wicked or unpleasant. Simply ask her to assist you in some way. The Benjamin Franklin effect is a psychological phenomenon that works in this way. You ask a female to do something for you. She does it, and she loves you a little more unconsciously as a result. However, you may be thinking, when we do things for other people, our brain assumes that since we are doing something for them, we must like them. Number 6. Make her smile. You may believe that you are not amusing, but the fact is that anybody can be amusing if they try. You must put yourself in enough situations to get comfortable with the embarrassment of saying an unfunny joke so that you may confidently speak more jokes in front of others. It demonstrates that you are both academically and humorously powerful, which is a great characteristic in a prospective partner. This will also allow you to observe where her eyes travel when she laughs, indicating if she is interested in you. Number 5. Make her a friend. There is a significant distinction between being her buddy and being friend-zoned. Also, it's been established and quite appropriate to be in the friend zone for months at a time before moving in and starting dating. Go the additional mile and do things that will make her happy. Place little messages in her vehicle. Send her a good morning text message. Help her get through her issues and empathize with her. In fact, by doing these things, you're already halfway to dating her. You only need to tell her you want her for the rest of your life, and you're good to go. Number 4. Breaking through the touch barrier. Here's a good subconscious psychological tip that can work amazingly well in many situations. Touch her shoulder, ask her for something and grab it out of her hand, or make up some game that requires touch and play it with her. Like rock, paper, scissors. Come up with a cool handshake if you have to. The idea is to make her know that you're willing to touch her in a non-sexual way because you feel comfortable around her, and to get her reaction. Number 3. Tell her your secrets. Tell her something intimate about yourself that only a few others are aware of. This will foster trust, and as you tell her more about yourself, she will see that you trust her, which will encourage her to trust you even more. Because we have a natural propensity to be skeptical of new people and not trust them, we like and trust those who trust us initially psychologically. As a result, after you've shown your faith in her, she'll begin to do the same. Number 2. Give her your full attention. It is one of the most significant gifts you can offer a lady in a world when your attention may go anywhere. If you desire her, pay attention to her for more than a few moments. When she's talking to you, look her in the eyes and make a mental note of what she's saying. If you can bring it up in following talks, she'll feel special and begin to appreciate your presence. Number 1. Boost yourself. Work out consistently is the finest overall advice I can offer you for becoming more confident and making a lady like you. If you're in middle or high school, I recommend doing arm, leg, and core weightlifting 3 times a week, as well as some cardio. You may go into more complicated training regimens and supplements if you're trying to get a lady to like you in high school, and particularly if you're in college.